Okay, hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing video, and today I got my hands on the new handstand clown from Lowe's 2026 this year. I'm so excited to open this guy up. I heard the quality is really good, so I'm expecting this to be really good. So let's just get right into it. This is probably my favorite Lowe's prop of this year, and the second clown animatronic I'm getting this year, because I only had to get one more, and that's Crackles. Because I only really wanted just handstand neon, which I already have, and then I just gotta wait for Crackles now. Yeah. This box is actually pretty, alright size, considering what he does. I was expecting it to be, huge. Okay. Alright, let's get this open. Okay, so I already see his head. Okay, so got the instructions here. I can't get them out. But he comes with batteries. That's actually really cool. This is my first techie prop, so hope it's good. Got his clothing with his hands. Wow. It's a big bag. What's this? These zip ties? Oh. Okay. Stuff on the base. Okay, I think from here, just a slide out. So, I'm gonna go ahead and get that out. Okay, I got all this out, so let's just get right to it. Look at his ass. Oh my. He has a big butt. Yo. Techie, what are we doing? I heard a lot of stuff was twist tied to the back, so let me cut the recording again to get those off. Okay, we got a couple things out, I think. Oh no. I think we got the head out. I think. No, I don't think we did. This is so confusing. Okay, so it's got a couple stuff. I mean, I'm glad that it's packaged good, unlike neon. Because there's actually stuff that's zip tied together. There's twist ties everywhere to make sure it's safe. I think we got the head out. Okay. This thing is giant. Scoop all this aside. Let me take the head out. Oh my god. And the slinky. Wow, this is huge. So hard to take off. Look at this thing. He's ginormous. I'm glad that the feet move. Wow. And the slinky neck too. So cool. I really wish it was BL wire. Okay. Got wires right here. Okay. So we got that undone. Let me see if I can do those off camera. Okay, we got the mechanism out. Wow. This actually seems like it could last. There's a lot of really better quality upgrades than Neon. Techie knows how to make jump scare props. You gotta work on that, FBI. Okay, trying to get this box off. Well, this is hard to do. Hold on. Okay, we got it. Always nice to see the cool white techie box. Just really wish it was like waterproof because there's a lot of holes in it. It's weird. The adapter already comes pre-attached, and it has like an extension cord. That's actually really great. And it has like the screws on it too. Why wasn't this outdoor rated? Techie, come on. Lowe's. Ooh. Everything's outrated, but the mech. Anyways, I'm probably gonna take the rest out off camera, and I'll see you when I get those. So I got everything situated. We have the base right here with the very heavy sandbag. I'm actually glad that it comes with a sandbag already filled attached to the base. So yeah, let's get right to it by attaching the arm poles first. So yeah, which goes B to B. Glad it has square poles instead. A to A. There we go. Now we're gonna put on the hands. So this one on the left, this one goes on the right. Now let's attach a sensor, or not a sensor, the clothes. Okay, so these are the legs. This is his front side. Gonna attach, we'll put on instead. Arm right here. Then the other arm. They're very nice quality clothes, we'll say that. Thank you, Techie. Let's get a zip. I'm glad he has a zipper instead of just Velcro strips. Let's get that down. Very nice packed clothes. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead, put on the mechanism now. Goes like this. No, that's okay. That's the back. I heard that was very hard to put these pulls on. Might have to scoot a little forward because our is currently hitting him. Oh, these are weirdly angled pulls. Okay. Let me get that situated. I got everything situated on the thing. That took so long. It was so hard to put that on. Oh my god. Anyways, I haven't attached the sensor wire yet. What is this? K? Okay, K wire. Boom. And let me untangle the adapter. Okay, let's attach the legs now. I like how they're already in the costume. Really helpful. Okay. They're just simple, just cylinder holes. For cylinder holes. If I can get it. line. There. Let's do the other one. Oh, I have yet to pull the spring back. Can you do that? Oh, I haven't put his butt piece on. Doing a lot of steps out of order. Get off. Leg won't come off. There. Gotta put his butt piece on. I gotta cut. Was to tie that. Spring. Spring is loose. We pull it down. Where's it supposed to go? Okay, the balloon. Oh, got it. There. There we go. Now the butt piece. Not expecting a cup to have this like much butt out. Yo. I could bend it. There we go. Now I can put the legs on. Okay. Go. Did that snap walk in? I can. There. Okay. Where's the leg? Okay. Right here. Weird, because you can't tell where you're putting them. Okay. Okay, it's in. My god, he's huge. Bring the camera up more. Okay, I think the next step is to just put the head on now. I think it's giant. I'll have to feed the wire down. There's so many twist ties. Okay, oh, this is so hard. Hold on. Okay. See if I got this. Oh, there we go. Oh my god, that took so much out of me. This dude was kind of easy, but also kind of hard at the same time to put together. He is huge. His head is huge. I haven't fixed the hair yet, but I'm going to. I got everything together. I plugged in all the wires. Yet to demo him. So let me fix his hair, then we'll do that. Okay, I just plugged him in. He's resetting. Alright. He starts off actually really short. Hello?
Heads up!
Whoa!
Here's trouble. And by trouble, I mean what's in store for you if you come any closer.
Wow. Go. Go.
There I go again. Not minding my head. Sometimes I am just head over heels. Did I lose my head again? No, it keeps happening to me. It's so strange.
The new 2026 handstand clown is, without a doubt, a highlight of 2026. And might be one of the best props of 2026. Yes. He is amazing. The jump scare is very effective. Genuinely, I love this dude. Top, 5 clowns of 2026. And I'd go as to say, he might be better than Neon. But you really don't expect the jump scare from Neon, which I like a little more, but I don't care. I love this dude. He's just so peak. The quality is amazing. Way better than Neon. I love his quality. You know, when it's good quality, when it's a pain in the ass to get the welds, snap locked together. It was so hard. But I love this dude. If you plan to buy him, I totally recommend it. Do it. He's genuinely great. As a first techie prop, amazing, phenomenal. I love this dude. It's really all I have to say. So, goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.